Hi, my name is Rohit and I work as a product manager for Abeeway Tactility. And today I want to show you how to activate the compact tracker with the reed switch. So here in my hand, I have a compact tracker and you will see there's a marking that says top and that is what defines the top of the casing. It is very important to know its orientation. And on the right of the top, you will see an arrow that basically defines the orientation of the reed switch. So the reed switch is mounted horizontally next to the arrow like this, if you see my hand. And now I have a magnet that we sell in the marketplace, and it is very important to know the north-south orientation of the magnet. So for this specific magnet, the north is here and the south is here. So this is the north-south axis. So when we are doing a close contact with the reed switch in the sequence, you have to bring the magnet horizontal. Axis of the magnet should be horizontal to the reed switch. This is very important for the sequence, but I will show you the sequence later on. But this is what we are going to do when I will say you bring the magnet close. You should not hover it around the tracker. You should not put it somewhere else. You have to really touch the arrow firmly and then firmly take it away as part of the sequence. So if the tracker is activated, there are two ways you will see the tracker is activated, either in the LoRaWAN network server, or you can have any Bluetooth scanning application. For example, I have here with me Abeeway mobile app, and if I try to add the tracker, you don't have to add it into the account, but you can use it to scan the Bluetooth Abeeway trackers. It only lists you the Abeeway trackers, and if your tracker is activated, you will see in this list. If you do not have Abeeway mobile app, you can go to any Bluetooth scanning application or even the Bluetooth settings of your phone. You click pair new device, and here you will see all the available devices. But note that it takes few seconds for the tracker to be activated and also the phone to search the Bluetooth activated device. This feature of Bluetooth activation is only available from MCU firmware 2.3 and above. So please look at your delivery notes to know which firmware version you are running. Nevertheless, you will see the tracker joining the network on a LoRaWAN network server. And there's no harm doing the sequence multiple times if it does not work. Okay, so now I'm going to bring the magnet. So you see I start the sequence with the magnet far away from the tracker, which means there is no false alarm and no false detection, and there should be no magnetic devices where you do it. Otherwise, you will create false alarm. So I'll bring the magnet close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Far away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that the reed switch orientation and the magnet is in parallel. Far away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Far away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just do one last time to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can look in your phone. So I'm just going to open my phone, and you will see on my Bluetooth device list the Abeeway tracker is listed, and the ABW is Abeeway followed by the last few digits of the DevUI. So now I've shown you how to activate the compact tracker. So there are few key points to remember. Do not operate it near any big magnetic device. You start clean. Bring the magnet, start the sequence with the magnet far away from the compact tracker, at least 30 centimeters. When you bring it close to the magnet, close to the tracker, you have to make sure that the tracker and the magnet are touching each other next to the arrow with the north-south axis of the magnet in parallel to the north-south axis of the reed switch. And you can see the result either in the Bluetooth scanning device, either on my phone or Abeeway mobile app, or with the LoRaWAN network server. And the Bluetooth advertisement feature is only available from MCU firmware 2.3 and above. Okay, so there's a bit of warning I want to highlight it to you. So now that the tracker is in the joining mode, it will stay there for a certain period of time. If it is not able to join the LoRaWAN network, then it will go back to the shipping mode, and then you have to activate the tracker again with the magnet sequence that I just showed you. Another situation where you have to pay attention is that if I do firmware update of the tracker with the mobile app or with the Abeeway updater, while the tracker is trying to join the network, after the reset of the firmware update, it will again go back to the shipping mode, and you have to reactivate the tracker with the magnet sequence. Okay, thank you so much and talk to you soon.